The Serbian Armed Forces are home to several elite military units, but few are as distinguished as the 72nd Special Operations Brigade. This highly trained and specialized brigade traces its origins to the 72nd Motorized Rifle Division of the Soviet Guard, evolving into a premier unit focused on handling some of the most complex and sensitive military operations. Today, it stands at the forefront of Serbia's defense strategy, tasked with a diverse set of missions, including sabotage, counter-insurgency, intelligence gathering, and direct action against adversaries. The 72nd Special Operations Brigade is known for its ability to carry out a variety of operations, from special reconnaissance missions to the management of hostage rescues. Its personnel are trained to adapt to diverse combat scenarios, requiring not only physical endurance but also intellectual agility to handle high-stakes situations. These operations often involve direct confrontations with enemy forces, sabotage behind enemy lines, and maintaining a defensive posture against insurgents. Training within the brigade is nothing short of rigorous. Its members go through both foundational and advanced courses to ensure they are capable of executing a wide array of missions in any environment. The brigade emphasizes physical fitness, precision shooting, and tactical expertise, with training modules designed to prepare them for operations in both urban and wilderness settings. Beyond standard military training, elite skills such as parachuting, climbing, diving, and drone handling are incorporated to guarantee operational versatility. To remain effective across various domains, land, air, and sea, the brigade is equipped with the latest military technology. Among the assets at its disposal are the Miloš and Little Miloš armored vehicles, known for their mobility and protection in hostile environments. Additionally, the brigade utilizes advanced weaponry like Cornet anti-tank systems, modern small arms, and sophisticated surveillance equipment, including optoelectronic devices and ballistic protection gear. These resources ensure that brigade members are prepared to face even the most modern threats in the battlefield. Serbia's defense policy reflects its commitment to strengthening its military capabilities, especially in the face of contemporary challenges. The nation has prioritized the modernization of its military forces by acquiring state-of-the-art equipment, such as MiG-29 fighter jets and S-300 air defense systems. This strategic investment not only improves Serbia's defense posture but also ensures that its armed forces are equipped to respond swiftly to any emerging threat. In addition to modernizing its equipment, Serbia places great emphasis on maintaining elite units like the 72nd Special Operations Brigade. These forces are trained to execute complex operations using cutting-edge technology, including drones for reconnaissance and surveillance. The modernization process, however, extends beyond just equipment. It includes building stronger international partnerships, with Serbia maintaining active defense collaborations with Russia and China. These relationships bolster Serbia's operational readiness through joint exercises and technical assistance, further enhancing the combat effectiveness of the 72nd Brigade. Serbia's military strategy also adapts to the evolving nature of modern warfare, which increasingly includes cyber threats. The country is investing heavily in its cybersecurity infrastructure and intelligence gathering capabilities, ensuring that its forces can defend against cyber attacks and hybrid warfare tactics. These advancements are particularly relevant given the geopolitical challenges the nation faces. On the domestic front, Serbia is developing modern military bases and efficient logistics systems, creating an infrastructure capable of supporting swift and effective deployment of forces when needed. The government's investment in military readiness also extends to enhancing border security, with state-of-the-art surveillance systems in place to monitor and protect sensitive regions from potential threats. The 72nd Special Operations Brigade is a vital component of Serbia's military apparatus, exemplifying excellence in training, technology, and strategic planning. Its role within the Serbian Armed Forces is critical to ensuring the country's preparedness in both conventional and unconventional warfare. With its modernized equipment, rigorous training programs, and strong international ties, the brigade stands as a symbol of Serbia's commitment to maintaining a powerful and adaptive defense force.